Finance was a stock in focus yesterday because it reported a largely in-line set of numbers for the quarter ended September. Let's go across to my colleague Vamakshi for a detailed fine print of those numbers. Good morning, Vamakshi. Break down those earnings for us.
Well, yes, an inline set of numbers is what Bajaj Finance has reported this time around. Yes, the expectation was of a steady but strong quarter from Bajaj Finance, and the company has delivered. Now, let me first take you through all the important numbers. Net interest income for the company came in at 7,197 odd crores. Now, this is definitely in line with our estimates, and in fact, this is a jump of almost 30% when we compare it on a year-on-year basis. Apart from that, when we talk about the net interest margin, that has seen a compression of almost 14 basis points sequentially, and that was mainly on account of a rise in the cost of borrowings. In fact, the management in their con call also highlighted that they are expecting another 25 to 30 basis points of NIMS compression in FY24, and this would mainly be driven by the rising cost of funds. Apart from that, operating leverage has started playing out for the company, and as a result, you can see the impact play out on the provisioning operating profit, which has again come in line with our estimates at 5,835 odd crores, an uptick of almost 30% on a year-on-year basis. And in fact, the management also highlighted that the operating leverage could play a key role in offsetting the pressure on the net interest margin. Moving on to the provisions, they have come in higher, nearly 8% sequentially, standing at 1,077 odd crores. The net profit stood at 3,350 odd crores, spot on with our estimate, and in fact, that is also witnessing a jump of almost 28% on a year-on-year basis. Moving on to the asset quality, yes, we did see a very slight bit of deterioration as far as the GNPAs are concerned. They have risen by from 0.87% to 0.91% sequentially. But the net NPA number has been quite stable. It is currently at 0.31% and has been flat sequentially. Apart from that, the company also commented on the fundraise, and they believe that the fundraise is essential given the strong growth in Bajaj Finance, the housing finance subsidiary, as well as the launch of the new product lines. They also highlighted that the listing of the housing finance subsidiary is nearly 8 quarters away from now. And in fact, the management has also highlighted that they have requested for extension. So all in all, the management has highlighted that they witnessed very strong growth momentum in the first half of the year, which was the strongest in the last 4 years. They are quite confident on delivering on the growth prospects as well. So all in all, it does look like a strong, steady quarter from Bajaj Finance, in line with what the street was expecting.
Thank you, Vamakshi, for taking us through the number of Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance